Okay, so it is currently Tuesday. So I was thinking, because I plan on going to a Renaissance Fair on Saturday and I have 4 curdles to choose from, and I'm incredibly terrible at, well, I guess, I don't know if it's that I'm terrible at making decisions, it's that I don't like making decisions. But I thought it might be fun if you guys tell me which curdle I should wear on Saturday. So I'm going to try them all on and let me know in the comments which one I should wear. Okay. Alright, so choice number 1 is this green linen curdle that I made. It also has this gold trim on it. I probably wouldn't wear this bra with it, so kind of ignore that. Yeah, so green linen, gold trim along the neckline, and I would probably wear it with a belt. So okay, so that is choice number 1. Okay, so choice number 2 is my red linen curdle. This one laces up in the front and the back. So this is it. I don't know if it needs the belt or not. Without the belt, I don't know. Maybe I'll just do the belt. There's this option. So this one is cute and simple. It doesn't have as much swoosh as the green one though, so take that into consideration. Okay, and now this one is really cool. I spent a lot of time embroidering and beading this. My inspiration was like if I was a shield maiden of Gondor. So it has this white tree embroidered on it. I did this like all by hand. One problem is I did spill coffee on myself at one point, so there is like a tinge of color on the white of the tree, sadly, but I think it's still fine. So this is the Gondor curdle. First, it does have a hood, but I'm going to show you without the hood first. So this one, side. I do really like this one though. Okay. And then we have the hood. So this one is really nice. I do love it. And I've never worn it anywhere. I don't know. Oh, I do really like this one. I feel like dark and adventure-y and like, I actually feel like I could be in Lord of the Rings movie. I don't know. This one is cute though. I really like it. This is the tree, and this is the embroidery and beading I did along the neckline, and then it was also done at the hem, at the ends of the wrist, so this was so much work. Okay, and I'm gonna try on the last one now. Oh yeah, I should probably do the swoosh test, so. Okay, I'm gonna get the next one now. And this is the 4th option. It was made with probably a poly brocade, I don't know. I got it from an auction, the fabric, so I don't know. And it feels a bit loose on me now. I'm gonna just address the reason why my kirtles are fitting kind of looser is because I have lost like 11 pounds within the last like 4 months or so, I guess. And I'm not doing any kind of crazy diet or anything. I just don't allow myself to snack anymore. I think what I would do is in order to like try not to eat and gain weight, I would snack and instead of eating like a full meal. And I don't think that's a good idea, because then I feel like it just, you're not satisfying your hunger. You're just like snacking and eating like bad things. I still eat whatever I want, and like I'll eat a whole box of macaroni and cheese. I just don't snack in between, and I usually eat about 2 meals a day, not purposely. Sometimes I'll eat 3 if I'm hungry, but that's all I've been doing. I haven't stopped eating certain foods. Like I eat mac and cheese and quesadillas a lot, like oatmeal. I don't have a lot of variation in my food diet right now. I'll eat vegetables and stuff and protein too, and like tacos. But I'm just not letting myself snack, so that's why my kirtles are all fitting looser, and I guess it shows. So yeah. And one more change is I used to drink Starbucks a lot. Well, not like a lot, but like 1 or more times a week. Maybe like 1 on the weekends or something, or maybe 2 when I'm volunteering. But lately I haven't been because it's been expensive and costs have gone up, so there's a lot of calories in Starbucks drinks. So I've been just making my own. I call it peasant coffee when I have to make it myself, so peasant coffee. And it still has like milk and 2 spoons of sugar in it, but I just haven't been snacking, so I think that's like a big thing. I haven't been eating like chips. I'll eat them occasionally, like if there's an opportunity, but I'm not like, maybe once a week, but like I'm not like snacking. And if I do have a snack, it's like the seaweed snacks from Costco. I really like those. Yeah, okay. So I might need to take it in a little bit because I like this kind of fitted, but let me show you real quick. So this is the dress. Alright, so one good thing about this dress is I did wear it to Barnes & Noble once, and a girl came up to me and told me I looked like a princess, so apparently I look like a princess when I wear it. Like, if you were at Barnes & Noble and you saw someone wearing this in like the fantasy section, what would you do? I've done that before. It is really pretty. I do like this one. I think right now I'm personally leaning towards this one, the green one, or the Gondor one. I don't think I'll do the red one. I don't know. I'm not really feeling the red one right now. I don't know. Hi, baby. Amidala, come here, love. Amidala. Come here, baby. Amidala. Here. That's my good girl. You want to say hi to everybody? Ooh, she doesn't like being picked up. It's alright, sweetie. Okay, so which one do you think I should wear? Should I wear the green linen, red linen, gray linen Gondor Shield Maiden, or this brocade princess kind of kirtle? Let me know. Okay, bye.